Hi everyone, welcome to Glitch Guru. In today's video, we'll show you what to do if camera or webcam is not working on your Windows 11 laptop. To fix this, first go to the Settings app on your PC. Now, go to the Privacy and Security tab on your left. Here, scroll down and click on Camera. In this menu, make sure the camera access toggle is turned on. Also, enable this Let Apps Access Your Camera option. Here, you will see a bunch of apps. Make sure camera toggle is turned on for your app. If your laptop camera does not work even after this, right-click on the Start icon. Now, select Device Manager from the list. In this window, find Cameras and expand it. Then, right-click on your camera driver and select Uninstall. Then, select Uninstall again to confirm. Now, simply restart your laptop and the camera should start working again. If nothing works, make sure your laptop's privacy shutter is turned off. It is a switch that is usually located on the side near the USB ports or next to the camera. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below.